Well, hello there, boys and ghouls. I didn't see you creep around the corner. I'm glad you've decided to join Review and Brew for this monstrous month of October. The reason, you might ask? Well, we're deciding to give you all a dangerous daily dose of terrifying entertainment. Now, don't start shivering your spines just yet. There will be plenty of things to scare you. What things? Well, every week we'll have a new theme ranging from cannibalistic tendencies to seeing tendons. Supernatural to the horrors lying perhaps just outside your window. We will have 2 Review and Brews a week featuring ghastly guest stars, micro reviews that are majorly monstrous, and last but not least, no, every scary Sunday, we will stream a double feature sure to keep you up all night long. And don't worry, friends, Psycho Pip and Killer K will be there to chat and make sure you don't get too scared. And as a special bonus for the bravest, the day before Halloween, we'll have a ghostly host reading the most terrifying tale ever to terrorize your faint hearts. October is sure to bring the brave ever closer to the grave.